Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to find your Revolut account number. So first I want you to come here and launch Revolut. Okay, so once we have launched Revolut, what I need you to do is come here at the top left and you want to click on your profile icon. So this is your main page on Revolut. Come at the top left, click on your profile icon, and here you'll see all your details. So you'll see your name. So this is the beneficiary. You'll see your account number. You'll see the ACH routing number and even the wire routing number. And if you had the bank name and address added, you would also see that right here. So what you need is this one. So go ahead and copy this. You can paste it anywhere. So these are your local for domestic transfers. If you want your SWIFT information for international transfers, go ahead and click on SWIFT. There you'll get things like your IBAN number, things like that. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Get More.